Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. iPhone 14 users are facing an overheating issue when using their devices. The problem is most commonly occurring when using the camera or charging, but some users have reported that the issue occurs when using other apps. In this video, I will show you how to fix overheating issue. Solution 1. Force restart your iPhone 14. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and hold the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side or power button until you see the Apple logo. Wait a few seconds for the force restart to complete and the heating issue should be resolved. Solution 2. Stop resources hungry apps. Another way to fix the overheating issue on the new iPhone 14 is to stop resource hungry apps. You can do this by double tapping the home button and then swiping up on the app preview to close it. Additionally, go to Settings app, find and tap on Battery. If you see an app that uses a lot of battery, you can disable or uninstall it to help reduce overheating and improve your battery life. Solution 3. Disable Raise to Wake. For this, open Settings app. Now find and tap Display and Brightness. Scroll down and turn off Raise to Wake. Solution 4. Turn off Background App Refresh. Turning off background app refresh is also an effective way to fix overheating issues on your iPhone. To turn off background app refresh, open Settings app, tap on General, then tap Background App Refresh, then select the apps that you want to disable the feature for. Make sure the feature is enabled for your essential apps. Solution 5. Install pending update. Open Settings app, find and tap on General, tap on Software Update. Install any pending updates available for your iPhone. To install, tap Download and Install. Solution 6. Switch from beta to stable. If you are running the iOS 16 beta on your iPhone 14, you may have noticed that your device tends to overheat more quickly than usual. This is a common issue with beta software and is to be expected. However, if you are annoyed by dealing with overheating, you can always switch back to the stable version of iOS 16. Solution 7. Reset all settings. Doing this will not delete all your iPhone data, but it will reset all of your preferences and settings. To reset all settings on your iPhone 14, open Settings app, find and tap on General, scroll down to bottom and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset, tap Reset all settings. Enter your iPhone's passcode. Tap Reset all settings to confirm the process. Solution 8. Reset your iPhone. Before you proceed with resetting your iPhone, you can try the following workarounds as well. Enable low power mode. Disable 5G temporarily. Turn off the always on display on the iPhone 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max. Turn on auto brightness. Reduce screen motion. If the workarounds mentioned above don't fix the issue, you can proceed with resetting your iPhone. Open Settings app, find and tap on General, scroll down to bottom, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap Reset. Once the reset is done, you can set up your iPhone with your Apple ID and start using it. Again, hopefully the overheating issue should be resolved. If resetting your iPhone doesn't fix the overheating issue, you may contact Apple support for more help or get your iPhone replaced. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.